So now I am preparing this mushroom. This is a oyster mushroom. So I'm going to roast it in the oven using this tiny bread tin and with one clove of garlic. I think that's good enough. So now I'm preparing this. You don't need a knife, just get a pair of scissors. So here, this one you don't want it. Put it aside. You also don't want this at the end. Alright. So you put this in and just tear it like that. Go in here. This is going to be a topping for crostini. Wow, seems like it's a lot. The container a little bit small. Alright, now we crush this. There you go. Just need a big knife. Cut this off. This is tiny bit not good. Can cut this off as well. So now we put in the press. So normally I will take this out. There's a skin here you can use. So I just always put it back. I don't discard the skin, but some people just don't use it. Sorry, take it out. Alright. So I'm going to transfer this to this. So easy for me to mix, and then I'll put it back. So now, olive oil. Pepper, some salt. Okay, I think it's mixed well now. So put this back. So now you cover it with tin foil. Then you put into the oven. So it's kind of create the effect of half cooking, half steaming. So then I can keep the juice. So when I mince it to crostini topping, then it has kind of moisture in there. It's not completely dry. So now I'm putting in the oven. The oven was set at 390 degree Fahrenheit. And then I will bake for about 10 minutes. Or bake or grill. I think I will use bake. So now take a look of this mushroom and see how it do in the oven. Do I need to cook it more or is it done? Oh, it looks really done. It's done. Hello, my mushroom feast is done. So you see this, right? Whether you can see it. And that's the soup. The soup is even harder to see, but you already see the pictures. So now I'm eating one of it and let me try.